Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the headset and environment so hand tracking has a clean signal. First, make sure your Quest 2 is updated and charged, then open Settings and enable hand tracking under Experimental Features. This immediately activates the subsystem. Once done, create a tidy forward-facing play area and remove reflective surfaces. You should also set your Guardian and restart the headset so changes take effect. These steps get the system ready and avoid common startup detection problems before you test tracking. You now configure behavior and practice the main gestures to build reliable input. In Settings, you can choose dominant hand and tweak sensitivity. Increase responsiveness only if tracking misreads less often. Practice pinch to select and a firm grab for hold. Move deliberately at first, then speed up once detection is consistent. Make sure the environment has soft, even lighting and no bright backlight, because the cameras rely on contrast. Also test in home to confirm apps, accept hand input, before moving to games or tools. You finish by validating tracking across the experiences you plan to use and applying small adjustments. Try home, the gesture tutorial, and one app to confirm actions map correctly. If something feels off, tweak sensitivity or dominant hand and restart the headset. Keep your hands centered in view and within 1 to 3 meters. Avoid gloves or motion blur. If tracking fails, reboot the headset, toggle hand tracking off and on, clean camera lenses, and improve lighting. This single troubleshooting step solves most detection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.